Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I am explaining negative interest rate policy. We explain total 4 to 5 sections. We cover all the doubts, and if you have any query, you just comment me on my comment section. Firstly, you watch all complete video, then you just say me any doubt. Let's see the video. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. My today's topic is this mentioned on our display. Imagine you're walking into your bank, depositing $10,000 and checking your balances a year later, only to find out you know less money. No, it's a hidden fee or a hack. The bank literally change you lust for holding you cash. Sound like you draconian sci-fi movie, right? Well, in the world of the microeconomics, this is a very real mind-bending tool called negative interest rate policy or NIRP. While the US Federal Reserve has traditionally kept rate above zero, other major economies like Europe and Japan have actually crossed into the negative today. We are breaking down exactly what negative interest rate means, why central bank would even do something so radical, and how it could completely reshape your personal finance if it even hits American shores. Let's dive in. Now, section number 1. You say section or you say part 1, and if you think just this section 1, what exactly is proposed? Alright, let's start with the basic. It's nominal economic environmental interest rate are positive. You lend money to the bank via your saving account and they pay you a small percentage as a reward. The bank then turns around lends the money to businesses or home buyers at a higher rate and pockets the difference. Simple, right? But under a negative interest rate policy, that entire dynamic gets flipped on its head. Instead of earning interest on your saving, you are effectively charged a fee to get your money into the bank. Now you might ask, why on earth would anyone agree to that? Why just not hit your cash under your mattress? Well, your everyday citizen, that might be an option, but for massive corporations, pension funds, and commercial banks holding billions of dollars, keeping physical cash under a mattress is not safe or practical. They need a secure place to store wealth, and central banks use that vulnerability to enforce their role. Now, section number 2. Why do central banks use ITOs? So, what is the ultimate goal here? Central banks don't implement negative rate to punish you. They do it out of sheer desperation to kickstart a freezing economy. Think of negative interest rate as economic CPR. When a current country is facing self-deflation, meaning prices are falling, economic growth has stalled, and customers are refusing to spend money. Traditional rate cuts might not be enough. By pursuing interest rate below zero, the central bank is sending a loud, clear message to commercial banks and big businesses: do not hold your cash, spend it or lend it. It is a commercial bank has to pay a penalty to keep its excess reserve part at the central bank. It becomes the higher incentivized to lend the money out to regular people and businesses at incredibly low rate. The goal is to making borrowing too cheap that companies expand, people buy homes, and consumers start spending money on cars, clothes, and vacations. In theory, this massive way of spending breathes like back into the economy. Now, section number 3. The real world experiment. Europe and Japan. Now it's you think this is a purely theoretical thing against this has already happened. The European Central Bank introduced negative rate back in 2014 and the Bank of Japan followed suit in 2016. So did it work well? It's mixed bag in euro. It did help lower borrowing costs and kept the Eurozone economy afloat during some incredibly rocky years in Denmark. Things got its wood that same home were actually giving mortgages with negative interest rate. Yes, you hear the right that bank was essentially paying them to borrow money for a house build. It is created massive health headache. It synchronized the profit margin of everyday bank, making it harder for them to survive, and it deeply fertilized frustrated everyday safe who watched their hard-earned retirement post stagnate or even shrink over time. Now, section number 4. Could it happen in the in the United States? Could it happen in the United States? This is the section 4. This begins us to the big question for all of us who are US. Could NIRP happen here during the economic downturn of 2020? There was increased speculation about whether the Federal Reserve would push rates below zero. However, Fed officials have historically been highly skeptical of negative rates. Why? Because the US financial ecosystem relies heavily on money market funds. If rates go negative, these funds could break the bust, causing mass panic in Wall Street and Main Street alike. Instead, the US rate prefers alternative tools like quantitative easing, which is basically printing money to buy bonds rather than taking interest rate into negative territory or in the negative, unlikely reducing the negative rate in the US anytime soon. History teaches us to never say never in microeconomics. Now, the outro and the last of in this video, how to protect your wealth, call to action. So, what is the ultimate takeaway? Whether rates are high, low, or negative, the best defense is always financial literacy, diversifying your wealth into tangible assets, stocks, or high-yielding vehicles, ensuring you are not at the mercy of the single central bank policy. If you want this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit the like, share, subscribe button. And simplified financial breakdown, comment below if the bank is charging you hold to saving. Where would you move your money? And one more thing we share in this video is important: never pay a single piece of money to anyone, because lots of the people say you just give me your money, we provide the better option for investing or anything. But we always saying to you, you use your own mind, then after do anything. Now let's we end this video here, but if you have any question, any doubt, you just ask me on this comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.